for me. I'm in love with you.
Hi, and welcome to this series of lessons on online video marketing. The use of video as a tool for marketing and advertising has soared. On average, we're consuming more than 1.5 hours of online video per day, and are increasingly choosing to stream video over watching television. In these lessons, we'll be covering online video marketing, the creation and distribution of video content as part of an overall marketing strategy. To kick things off, we'll be exploring the key things that you need to consider when building an effective online video strategy, from choosing the right platforms to host your video, to selecting the most effective video goals and KPIs for your efforts. Online video marketing can come with huge benefits. It's essential to understand how video fits within your customer journey.